Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast at home without milk step by step. Start by gathering bread, eggs, a liquid substitute or water, vanilla, cinnamon, salt, butter, or oil, and a skillet ready for medium heat. Beat the eggs with your liquid and flavorings until smooth, then soak slices briefly but not soggy. Cook until golden on both sides and serve warm with syrup or fruit. Mix eggs and your chosen liquid substitute in a shallow bowl for quick dipping, keeping the ratio balanced so the custard clings without soaking. Whisk in vanilla, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt until well combined and slightly frothy. Test a small bread corner to check coating. You want a light layer that will set when cooked. Adjust sweetness here with a little sugar or honey before dipping full slices. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and humor in the kitchen. I love theirs for standing at the stove and flipping toast. They hold up to spills and long mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your skillet over medium heat so the butter or oil sizzles gently but does not burn. Dip each bread slice briefly and evenly, then place into the hot pan, spacing slices to avoid crowding. Flip when edges look set and the underside is golden brown, typically 2 to 4 minutes per side. Keep cooked slices warm in a low oven while finishing the batch and adjust heat if browning too fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.